Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be giving you a bit of a Notion tour because it's been very highly requested from you guys on my Instagram. So let's get straight into it. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and click thumbs up to support me. It would mean the world. And comment down below if you use Notion and what you use it for. Okay, let's get into the video. So this is my dashboard. So up the top we have a little call out that says you've got this, please don't give up now. A little bit of, inspiration. And we've got like my daily pages, my student pages, my business pages, and just my random pages. And here we have to-do lists, which is a linked database to my task list. But obviously there's nothing there now as I'm in the process of getting everything planned for my exams. Here we have like a monthly agenda overview thing where I can just pop in important dates and I can scroll through, etc, etc. And then my second brain, because I have an awful memory, so I can just put things in there if I need to. And then this is one of my favourite quotes actually. It says, everything is okay in the end. If it's not okay, it's not the end. And I just love it. Yeah, and I have another call out that says, you're worth it, I promise. And then I have my year 13 timetable for school. So let's head back up to the top and check out the daily spreads. So in here we have the weekly agenda, and I've not updated it, so let's do that now. Week commencing the 19th of March, and in here I can put some personal to-do lists, school to-do lists, there you go, make a revision plan, business to-do lists, and then I'm going to update all of the dates, which I'll do at some other point, but you kind of get the idea. So we have tasks, events and important. So on Monday I can say I need to do biology. Events is back to athletics because it's my first day back after lockdown, which is super exciting. But yeah, that is basically how I lay out my weekly agenda. I need to update it for next week. So let's head back to the dashboard, and we've got monthly agenda where there's not really too much on here at the moment, but if I want to go to say May, I can put in some exam dates. So here I have my physiology, PE exam. And then tags I can put school, and I can enter in all of those. And then next we have task list, which I haven't filled out yet because I've got it filtered, so if I click complete it gets like rid of it, if you know what I mean. But let's say here we'll go with post this on YouTube. And then tags we can go studying digital, which is fun. And then we have student life, so we've got my little stuff to do. I've literally not really put anything in here yet, but this is just my stuff to do for year 13. And then I'm going to make another database. So we head down here to a table. Actually, do you know what's going to be easier if I just duplicate this, and then that will load up, and I can change the header to university. So I can put in all of the stuff that I need to do before I go to university and all the stuff for year 13. Next we have my Uni Hub, which is basically just my little database of everything for when I start in October. So here's the course I'm doing. It's a physiotherapy course at the University of Essex, and this is not my actual schedule, it's just kind of like a sample one there, but I will be filling that in when I need to. And then I've got a little announcement that says get student finance sorted, which I have done now. And in here we've got like the specification, readings, grading, things like that, course schedule, required text assignment, contact hours, blah blah blah, that's all in there. And then we'll head back to Uni Hub and go to accommodation, and I've put down all my different accommodations and what I'd prefer. And then I've got my uni purchases list and bring for accommodation list, which I've not completed yet, but I mean I've got other priorities at the moment that I need to get on with. And then here we've got my revision plan, which is what I spent most of my day doing yesterday. So with all the new exams, there's like, it's super confusing, but we have in-class assessments as well as CSAs. And the CSAs are Centre Standardised Assessments, so it's almost like final exams, but not. So here we've got the list of all of my in-class assessments. I don't know the dates or times of them yet, but they will be after Easter, so from like the 28th of April, I think. And then the CSAs are from May the 10th, which I've got the dates for those already, so I've had put them all in there. And then I showed you guys this on my Instagram story earlier on today actually, and this is how I've been planning my revision. So I've got all of my subjects, PE, biology and chemistry, and the topics that are going to be in the exams, and I've ranked them red, amber, green. So red are the ones that I don't really understand, amber are the ones that I think I'm okay at, and green are the ones that I do understand. And then you can focus on just the red areas for your exams and then move on to the amber areas, so you know that you've got more of a chance. I don't mean it like that, I mean like you have more of an average out of information, so you're not just good on some topics, you'll be good at all of them. So I find it easier to focus on the topics that I find the hardest first and then work across and review the ones that I find easiest. So that's what I've done for the next few weeks to get started on my revision. And then in biology, like this is how I planned it out. So these are all the topics for the in-class assessments. These are for the CSAs. I know it's so much. And then because my in-class assessments are first, I've ranked those red, amber, green. And I've done the same for chemistry and for PE. So I just have like a little note of all of the topics that I need to be revising for, so that's really handy. Let's go back to the dashboard, and then we've got business. So I have to face case. I've not really got anything in here yet because I've just set this one up, but this is my business if you didn't know. I sell phone cases. And I've got like a little brain dump page, so I'll probably just put down any random notes, any kind of case design ideas, important links, so like my suppliers, things like that. And then we have studying digital, and we've got collaboration payments, my media kit, and then my content planning, so Instagram, YouTube. Hey look, Notion tour. Filming that right now. And blog content, which I've not really got much for yet, but I've only just kind of set up this page, so I'm going to be filling that in very soon. And then in my media kit, obviously I've got my links to all of my different social medias, and then my current stats, reach, all of that for any companies that want to work with me, anything like that. So that's that, and then we'll go on brain dump, which is literally an empty page. That's fun. So let's add some things in here. Let's have remember, and then we'll put like a little bullet list here, just as an example. But yeah, I need to set that one up properly. And then my second brain is just kind of like, I don't even know, random things that I need to remember, that kind of thing, because my memory is absolutely awful. So yeah, that is my Notion setup currently. I mean, I don't really know whether it's that exciting. I don't know whether this is something you guys would like. Maybe I'll do an updated one when I've... Oh, my mouse batteries are low. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, I don't know whether this is something you guys want me to update you on in a few weeks, maybe, when it's all filled in and everything. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!